Hello everyone, welcome back to Flourish Field, and in this video we're going to be creating a lovely game. Yeah, a lovely game. We're going to be creating diamonds in the sky. Sounds like a music. Diamonds shine bright like a diamond. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I came up with a concept, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So we're going to be creating diamonds in the sky. So what this means is that we're going to control the cat sprite to get that crystal. So if we can get 50 crystals in 120 seconds, we win the game. Now let's check out the game before we now start the tutorial. Alright? Yes, let's get started. 0 points. As you can see, I'm trying to see if I can get crystals in 120 seconds, or if I could do that. If I didn't get that, it's going to tell me I lose. So we're doing this in, oops, so nice and slow. So you could also use the edges. So when you get out of the one edge, you pop out in the second one. Let me show you what I was. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I could go like that. Yeah. Oops, yeah, that's it. It's looking promising already. This is amazing. Yeah, I did it. Alright, let's see if I could. Oops, no way. 27. God, I hope I get this. I hope I get this. Oh, 37 in 80. Are you seeing that? 37 in 88 seconds. Wow. Oops. How did I miss that? Oh, no way. 48, 49, I'm gonna win this game. And then my timer is supposed to stop, so I know where that mistake is, but that's how the game is all about. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video where we're gonna start the processing, we're gonna start the game. Now the first video would be about creating our intro, our lovely intro, something you see just like this. Now after doing that, so the second video will be about controlling the sprite, the cat sprite. The third one will be about controlling the diamonds, the crystal. The fourth video will be about timing and points. And then the last video will be about ending the game. So that's all about that. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're anticipating for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section below if you really want us to do this tutorial. Stay blessed and keep flourishing. Bye.